what's really going on. Bitcoin, crypto, currency. We're looking at XLM price action, interacting with some key levels here, currently supported by some EngineeringRobo buy suggestions. Price action looking bullish in my opinion as we determine support. If we look at our previous buy signals coming into play, we have a buy 1 showing on the 27th of June, and then we have the buy 2 come into play all the way on the 22nd of July, which is our second of our chosen 3 Robo advisors bullish on price action. And then over the following 46 days, we experienced up to 63% in upside, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $16,000 just by sitting around looking at it. And if you didn't take profit above, at, or around that swing high, we waited for 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors to become bearish on price action, which was on the 7th of September when a buy 1 and buy 2 closed on the same candle here, taking profit at that sell signal allowed you to capitalize on 27% in gains, utilizing EngineeringRobo's buy and sell suggestions. And so, we're not here to determine the top or bottom of the market, but we're here to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so there are many different Robo advisors available. And so once you've picked 3 that suit your trading strategy, it is key to wait for 2 of your chosen 3 Robo advisors to become bullish or bearish on price action before making an entry or exit decision. And so when we consider the sell 2 and sell 1 printing on this same candle here, the sell 1 is hiding behind that candle. If you look at the 7th of September there, sell 1 hiding behind the sell 2, suggesting continued downside. And so upon that sell suggestion, we actually experienced up to 22% in downside before finding areas of support here. And then so upon this bullish interaction of my support line here, 26 cents, we've actually experienced up to 42% in upside. So if you're accumulating at my support level, you've already seen up to 42% in gains. Price action now currently supported by all 3 of our chosen Robo advisors bullish on price action. If you bought when 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors became bullish, you're currently sitting on up to 10% in gains after seeing about 16. So currently experiencing upside if you've bought at the support or used any of the Robo advisors. At the moment, technically, in my opinion, we are looking for further interaction with perhaps 34 cents as support, all the way down to potentially 32 cents, which is currently the 0.382 Fibonacci line price action, attempting to find support during this phase of consolidation here. At the moment, we are expecting the uptrend to continue upon support being solidified. I'm also watching out for resistance present, potentially around 40 cents, all the way up to 41 cents, which is currently the 0.5 Fibonacci level. So definitely a key level overhead we need to watch out for. Perhaps need to plow through and perhaps retest as support. Once price action has confirmed 40 cents as support, we can get more comfortably bullish on more upside. So at the moment, we're making our way toward resistance, currently confirming support around current levels. Accumulating around current levels may be a tad volatile, but if you accumulate it at my support, you've already seen up to 46% in gains. Let me know down below where you think XLM will go now. We're taking a quick look at Shiba Inu coin price action, making some more bullish upside here as we see price action break upward from a little phase of accumulation and sell off after some, very aggressive gains coming out of the sort of end of September here. When we consider EngineeringRobo's buy signals kind of back at the 16th of September, 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation. And then over the following 21 days, you've seen up to 313% in upside, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into over $40,000 just by sitting around looking at it. And so currently, with no sell signals present, you're currently sitting on over 266% in gains at current levels. And in my opinion, with no sell signals present and the current bullish buy pressure of this coin moving forward, I suspect the upside will very much continue here. We also have interaction with a potential key level. This 3037 level here is going to be a key area of support if we continue to experience buy pressure above it. Candles opening and closing above that level would further solidify it as support and would perhaps suggest a bullish area of accumulation for price action if we are interacting with it as support. And so right now I'm looking for that as key area of buy pressure moving forward if you were to be accumulating at current levels. Right now we are interacting with some very volatile factors, very high sell pressure of traders taking profit over these very short-term crazy gains here. However, many new traders are coming into play, buying these dips and investing into the coin for the first time. So price action very volatile at current levels. I very much expect the uptrend to continue, perhaps by the dips when can. I'm looking for support. Always let me know down below where you think Shiba Inu will go. Now we're taking a look at OMG against USDT coin price action. We're looking at some very tremendous gains in a very short amount of time here, considering EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions back at the end of July of this year. We have 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors suggest a bullish area of accumulation around $4.10. And then over the following 67 days, we experienced up to 339% in upside, easily turning a potential $10,000 into over $40,000 just by sitting around smelling it. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, currently there are no signs of taking profit at the moment. There are no sell suggestions present. You are currently sitting on over 234% in gains at the moment with no sell suggestions present. I do believe the upside will very much continue here. However, we are experiencing a bit of a retracement and pullback toward potential support. I'm looking for $13.19 as a potential key level here. If we continue to find support and buy pressure present, we can get more bullish upon accumulating at current levels. Say we fail to hold this level, I suspect perhaps $10.50 may be another level we interact with here in this retracement and pullback before the uptrend can continue. We do believe there is definitely a lot of buy pressure present and bullish upside potential for this coin moving forward. However, hundreds of percentages in gains in such an amount of time may require some sideways and consolidation and price action accumulating over a period of time before the uptrend can continue. So at the moment I'm looking for continued interaction with these key levels here. Once support is found, we can get more bullish on comfortably accumulating at current levels and the upside continuing. I'm always looking for support in any uptrend. What goes up must come down. Higher lows would be nice here. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. Now we're taking a quick look at Ethereum price action, experiencing that break downward here toward $3,455, the 0.786 Fibonacci level. I was suggesting a bullish interaction off of this would be very nice for us moving forward. And here we have buy pressure coming into play. We even have a higher high printing with today's candle relative to yesterday's candle, which is technically a bullish sign for us. So I would like to see continued buy pressure present at current levels to be bullish on a comfortably accumulating at current levels. Do believe a bullish area of accumulation for us was around $2,982 per Ethereum. However, at the moment, near current levels supporting continued upside, we do have 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bullish on price action, the buy 2 and buy 4 coming into play, suggesting continued upside for us. I'm watching out for resistance present potentially around $3,920 per Ethereum, which may be a key level that we have to interact with, get to, and through confirm as support before the uptrend can continue as well. So definitely some key levels to watch out for before the uptrend can continue. We're currently still in this phase of consolidation here. Bullish buy pressure present does suggest a break upward and continued upside, as well as these robo buy signals. However, I'm looking for continued technical support. I want to see $3,455 to continue to express this buy pressure. Now, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently making its way toward resistance. My $58,800 level is currently my target still as we make our way toward resistance there. Do believe sell pressure may be present for us. We'll have to interact with and perhaps confirm as support before we can continue the uptrend moving forward. Do believe we are looking very bullish in my opinion after breaking through some key levels here. The 0.786 line, $51,700 per Bitcoin is still going to be a key level to consider until we've broken and confirmed $58,800 as support. right now we're still looking at, these levels as potential, key areas of support if we were to become rejected off of resistance overhead. Another bullish area of buy pressure present for us is $48,000 per Bitcoin, which was a key level that we experienced, a lot of interaction with ever since the kind of middle of August here. And so price action currently experiencing some very bullish upside, which may be met with a, rather, aggressive retracement, which I believe to be short-lived if it may occur. But we're always looking for these type of movements and price action. So right now we're looking at all three of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action. The buy for moon and golden cross signal have now returned, expecting bullish upside and continuation of the uptrend here for us once we've conquered these key technical levels. If we consider the fear and greed index here, in my opinion, I do believe we will interact with a perhaps $124,000 Bitcoin before any sort of prolonged downside is to be considered. I do believe there's definitely a lot more bullish upside to be had for the kind of uptrend moving forward here before we see any sort of extended bear market, if you will. We've been in a very bullish range of consolidation ever since pretty much the sort of beginning of this year. We've had price action in these phases of sideways breaking upward and downward into different areas of consolidation, currently making our way to and through previous all-time highs into what appears to be the six-figure range. Let me know down below where you think price action will go once we've conquered these resistances present. I do believe we will experience some very bullish upside in a very short amount of time once the uptrend is ready. It's never a bad time to accumulate Bitcoin, in my opinion, only better times. Right now, we may be looking at some of the best times. I'm always looking for interactions with support. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.